There were reports of more gunfire in Mountain Avenue and Rockford, in the Mountain View Avenue and Rockford areas this afternoon. Gunmen from Jarrett Lane and neighboring Oliver Road again traded bullets despite the presence of the police and Jamaica Defense Force soldiers in the area. Residents told our newsroom that there was heavy gunfire in the conflict zone this afternoon. However, there were no reports of injuries. The shortage of fire trucks is again in the spotlight after residents argue that a house could have been saved if the only fire truck in Portmore St. Catherine had not been sent to another parish. TVJ's KRISTA Campbell explains.
Instead of a fire truck, an ambulance sits in place at the Portmore Fire Station in St. Catherine. Portmore Mayor Leon Thomas says there is only one unit assigned to Portmore and
I get to understand that the fire unit was removed from Portmore and sent to Manchester. And I am saying that we cannot have a municipality without a fire truck.
This footage of the fire station taken on Friday afternoon. Flashback to Wednesday of this week. A house up in flames and another partially burnt in Christian Penn, Gregory Park, Portmore. 3 adults and 2 children now out of a home. The victims thankful for residents whom they say rushed to their rescue during the fire.
Down in the lane, I look at doing homework, and by my son come looking say, "Mama, please, I catch a fire." And by come on, everything just split up in a fire. As Spanish only come from, I never come same time. I will take it a good time and come because I have a next fire look boat. So we call them could come same time.
The whole of the back of my house burned out, and my niece and my nephew them house burned down flat. And a whole assessment we get with water, the youth them. If you never there help with water, the whole stretch of place is straight burn down.
It should have been terrible and more houses that burn down and probably life would have lost.
But the mayor argues that a life has already been lost because the Portmore fire truck was removed once before.
There is no fire unit in Manchester, and it is like they are passing around trucks to different areas. Right? And a truck is assigned to Portmore. A couple months ago, there was a fire in Britain where a lady lost her life, burned to death because of lack of fire unit in Portmore. They make shift and they bring back the fire truck. And again, they remove the fire truck.
He argues that the fire truck is even more critical because of Portmore's growing population.
We have approximately 2,000 housing units coming on stream and only 1 fire station. We need to have at least 3 fire stations in this municipality. We have major highways and operating the municipality without a fire truck. Anything can happen. Anything can happen. You can need a jaws of life and you're not going to have that to save a life.
He says the local government minister intervened before to have the fire truck returned to Portmore and he's appealing to him again to address the matter. KRISTA Campbell, TVJ News.